In this tutorial, I will teach you how to embed a YouTube channel in Squarespace. As more and more people seek digital entertainment and information, bringing your YouTube channel directly to your Squarespace website allows you to reach out to your audience in a seamless and integrated manner. A YouTube channel embedded on your site enables your visitors to view your content without leaving your webpage, giving you better control over the user experience. Starting is quite simple. First, ensure that you're logged in to your Squarespace account. After you've logged in, go to the specific page where you wish to embed your YouTube channel. In our example, let's make it the homepage. Now, let's set things up for our YouTube channel. Look for the Edit button, which is typically located at the top of the page. Clicking it will allow you to modify the contents of the page directly. This is also where we will introduce our YouTube channel. After clicking the Edit button, your next move is to add a new block to the page. A block is simply an area where you can add a particular type of content. In our case, we want to add a YouTube channel. To do this, hover your mouse over the page content area. As you do, you'll notice an plus icon. Click it. This is the Add Block icon. When you click on the Add Block icon, a plethora of options will be presented to you. Search for the code block. Once you find it, click on it to select it. This block is crucial to our process, as it is here where we will paste the embed code from YouTube. With the code block now in place, click on the pencil icon found on the code block to open its settings. The pencil icon is typically located at the upper right portion of the block. Once you've clicked it, a box will appear, essentially a text field. It's here that you'll want to paste your JavaScript code. This is the code that you should have previously copied from the widget on YouTube that handles embedding channels. Are you following along well? Great, we're almost there. All that's left is to apply the JavaScript code to the block and save your changes. To do this, click on the Apply button to close the code block settings. Afterward, to save or publish your changes, simply click on the Save or Done button that you'll find in the top left corner of the page. Once done, your YouTube channel will now be browsable and viewable directly on your Squarespace site. That's it. You've now embedded your YouTube channel on Squarespace. Keep experimenting, keep tweaking, keep fine-tuning to your delight. Digital creativity knows no bounds. Join us next time for more tutorials on getting the best from your Squarespace site. Until next time, learn and enjoy.